Your favorite celebrity just posted a video on Twitter. X is going crazy. You want to download that video so that you can view it offline or so that you can be able to share it easily with your friends. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do exactly that. My name is Vince and welcome to Actionable User, whereby we help you become more actionable when using tech. Without taking up much of your time, we'll jump right into this video and we'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So right now I'm scrolling through X and I've just seen some funny videos here, specifically this one. So let me play it for you. Yeah, as you've seen, so I want to download it. So there's this share button here on the bottom right, and I will copy link. Yes, as you can see, it has been copied to clipboard. So now I will go to my browser. So here I am, and I will search for Save Twitter. Yeah, so I'll type in Save Twitter and I'll search. Here are the results. The first result you can see on the top is savetwitter.net, and it has a blue logo. So I'm going to click on that. It has a simple interface, as you can see. It does all this, downloading videos, GIFs from Twitter. So I'll paste the link that I've copied here. Then I'll click on download. Here you can see the video. It's 1 minute 15 seconds. And we have multiple options here. So let me go for the highest quality, which is 640p. Then I'll click Save to Downloads. And my download has already started. So download complete. Now I'll have to go to my gallery to view it. Okay guys, so here I am in my gallery. And here's the video. And so guys, remember that this method also works for PCs and computers. And the process is just the same. That is how you can easily download videos from X or Twitter. I've created other tutorials on how you can download videos from Facebook or Instagram. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment and share this video with your friends. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.